Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are looking at some pretty dry conditions across the Suncoast currently, but that could change at really almost any time. A deep river of atmospheric moisture lifts northward across the peninsula, helping to set the stage for more afternoon showers and thunderstorms. But even this morning, even though we're not seeing a whole lot currently, a shower or two popping up almost anywhere, almost any time is possible in the forecast today and tomorrow morning as well. We have a few areas of light drizzle and patchy rain beginning to build in areas just to the southeast of Arcadia. And that's the kind of thing we're going to see during the morning hours. A lot of cloud cover around as well, but some breaks in the clouds possible during the morning, so we'll watch for that. Kind of a sharp division between the dry air that's back toward the west and then the moisture that's lifting north out of the Caribbean. In fact, that Caribbean moisture, all part of a trough of low pressure that some computer models continue to suggest might spin up some minor tropical, maybe a tropical storm as we head into later this week. So we'll be watching this area for possible development. Models are still kind of all over the place, some developing a stronger system, some really just showing a slug of moisture lifting north, some taking it out into the Atlantic, some taking it out into the Western Gulf. This time of year, late spring, models are very sensitive to fluctuations in the waves in our atmosphere and kind of sometimes spin up things that don't actually occur. But it may, so we'll keep an eye on it and keep you posted. If it did, it would be over the Memorial Day weekend, of course. But regardless of what develops down here, we are going to see the potential for some heavy rainfall over the course of the weekend as that area of low pressure lifts northward. Showers are possible throughout the morning hours, but by afternoon we can see a few thunderstorms beginning to develop. And in fact, as we progress later into the day, some of these thunderstorms could produce again today some heavy rainfall. So another couple inches of rainfall, certainly not out of the question. When we head into the evening hours, nighttime hours, we'll start to see the potential for thunderstorms start to decrease, but then tomorrow morning rain showers once again. So the setup is this. We have a big ridge of high pressure out here near the Bahamas directing our winds out of the southeast. We have this trough of low pressure that's kind of persistent down in the southern parts of the Caribbean. And we have a kind of trough that exists along the eastern seaboard back into the deep south. All of that kind of combining together to produce this plume of moisture lifting northward that will just continue to set the stage for the potential of some heavy rain. Now, the thing is, we do have some dry air existing out in the Gulf waters, and it is possible we could see a little bit of breakup in our rain showers as we head into Wednesday and Thursday as high pressure expands toward the west. But then, over the weekend, we'll watch this trough of low pressure lifting northward. Regardless of development, it will produce the potential of some more heavy rainfall for us. And that's really, at this point, what we don't need to see because of our river stages as high as they are. So several wet days, then some midweek drying, followed by a possible heavy rain event this weekend. And I'm talking over the weekend, maybe another 6-inch rainfall, 5-inch rainfall for particularly, I think, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So a southeast wind comes in at about 5 to 10 today. For boaters, it means a moderate chop. Not a particularly great day for boating. Today, 60% chance, tomorrow the same. Then a little midweek drying perhaps. And then as we head into Friday, heavy rains are possible, starting probably late Friday into Saturday, and then continuing on really into Monday, Memorial Day, when things start to dry out maybe a little bit. But this wet weather pattern, this could go right into June easily.